As we're all spending most of our time at home, the Museum of Norwich at the Bridewell has come up with a creative way to challenge your family, or friends you live with, in a homegrown escape room game. Keep watching to find out how you can escape boredom with just pencils, paper, sticky tape, a few things you'll probably have around the house, and some imagination.
Hey guys, what's up? Now that's how you start an online video. Herbert just doesn't get it. You've got to make allowances for him though. He's a historian. He's bound to be a bit behind the times. How are you getting on with them puzzles of his? I was expecting him to be here by now. He's probably got himself locked in the cellar again. Oh, hang on. I think I can hear him. I better make myself scarce or I'll get wrong. See you later. Ah! Hello. Sorry I was late. I was just passing some Latin for giggles. It's important to keep the brain active in lockdown. So, time for a couple more puzzle ideas for the Lockdown Living Room Escape Challenge. This one's a favourite of mine. It's even older than the tangram we used last time. It's first mentioned in about 700 BCE, meaning it dates from about the same era as the ready meal I found in the freezer for last night's dinner. It's called a Sitterly.
Skittly.
Sitterly.
You say Sitterly, I say Skittly.
The Sitterly, and for the last time it is pronounced Haysborough, everyone knows that. The Sitterly was used in wartime by the Greeks, and especially the Spartans. Yes, you know the ones, very little clothing and lots of makeup on the abdominals. You'll need three things for this one: a strip of paper, a pen, and a tube of some kind. You could use another pen as the tube, though a thin one makes it a bit fiddly, or something like this vitamin tablet tube, or anything in between. Cut a strip of paper about 1 centimetre wide. If you're using a pen, then the long side of a piece of A4 will be fine. If you're using a vitamin tube, you might want to join two lengths together, as you're going to wrap the paper round the tube like this. Keep hold of the end with your thumb and try to wrap the paper evenly without overlapping. When you've got it in place, lay it on the table to stop it unwrapping, but if it wants to spring open, you could stick the end down with a piece of blue tack or something similar. There we go. Then, above your thumb, draw an arrow pointing to the right. That marks the starting point of the code word that the players are trying to find. Then next to that, write the word, one letter on each strip. You've probably got better writing than I have. Then take the paper off. Look at the way up the letters appear and fill in the blank spaces with random letters. The Spartans would do this round a wooden baton and then send someone off with the message. The person at the other end needed to wrap the encrypted message around a baton of the same size to read it. Now, you can hide whatever you're using for your baton in one box and the message in another box that the players will open later. It's best to do it that way round, as you can break this cipher if you manage to curl the paper up in just the right way. And of course, you'll also write the same code word on the box that the players get to open when they've deciphered it. I told you before, would you please throw your bits of paper in the bin when you're finished with them? You're making the place look untidy. Not to worry. Here's another quick puzzle you can make, and remake easily if necessary. It's another way of disguising a message, simply by putting alternate letters on two pieces of paper. Your message can be anything you like, but I'm going to use a riddle that the players need to solve to open another box. First, write your message in a heavy, dark pen on a piece of paper. Then put another piece of paper on top. You need some fairly thin paper for this, or you could use tracing paper if you've got some, and trace every other letter. You need to do this bit carefully. Doesn't matter if you do make a small mistake, just make sure that you make the opposite mistake on the other piece of paper, because you're then going to trace the letters you missed the first time. Then, when the players have found both pieces, they can put them on top of one another to read the complete message or riddle. My first is the end of everything, my second is the start of nothing, my third is the heart of youth. What am I? A GNU! So, that's another solution that can open a box. Don't forget to throw the complete message away once you've made the puzzle sheets. That's better, you're getting the hang of it now. So, join me next time for some tips on how to put it all together and make a complete escape game. Bye for now.
Good luck with making the puzzles. Don't forget to download the information pack, and most important of all, please share on social media.